Welcome back to my page. This is Lily. We are celebrating 150 years for this church here, and this is our beautiful evening with all these lovely food and Gabby. And wow, look at all this food. There's so much food. Food, glorious food, wonderful food. Wow. So I'd just like to film this and just say
good evening once again, guys. Just been told by the kitchen, please don't leave. We've got dessert coming up very shortly. And you can take your doggy bags. 1, 2, or 3, whatever. But yeah,
and here we are. We've got some people back here.
All no sugar, I've been told.
Yes.
So that's coming up shortly.
There's plenty of
the
other
cake.
cheese.
Not too long away with the kitchen stuff. We're just trying to clear everything, and then we'll get on with the.
Oh, okay.
So help yourself, guys, to what's out there, please. Not too far away.
Just looking at everyone. And so many people here. Oh, hey. Hello. Hello, how are you? I went to ask Dad to come and he said no.
Oh, okay.
So when Dad says no, he means no. Yeah. Nice to see you all here this evening.
Thank you.
You're looking very well. Beautiful faces here, beautiful people. Hello! Hi! Nice to see everyone. How's everyone? Nice to see you all. I just want to do a video for mine and I can show my dad as well.
Yes.
Yeah.
How's your dad?
He's good. I went to ask him, I said, Dad, you want to come to... No. He does not say, let me think about it. No, it's a straight no. Yeah. So I don't ask him. Only once, you have to ask. Yeah. It's good to see you, huh?
Yes.
Good to see you. Where's your son? You have a son? Your sons are here, eh? Your son? Yes. I thought so. And your daughter? Lucy? Yeah. Yeah, Lucy's here. That's the only one I remember, though. Your son and you. And Lucy, yeah. Nice to see you all anyway. Hello.
Hey, how are you?
How's everyone?
Good, thank you.
Oh, you've got a nice table here, eh?
VIP.
Yeah. Were you doing the security outside before? Thank you.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, aren't you nice? Thank you for that.
You're welcome.
Hey!
How's Dad?
My dad, he's well.
He's good.
I asked him to come, and he said no. Just no. Yeah.
How old is he now?
96. Yeah.
Hi guys, me again.
96.
I just
4
been
more
told
years
that
and he's
food to be
100.
taken home, and so feel free to dish up some food to take home too before dessert. So
Hello.
kitchen staff have told me it's okay. Grab whatever you want. Thank you.
Pete and Louie, they're gone.
Hello, how are you? Well, I'm telling everyone every time I go to a table that I ask Dad, would you like to come to celebrate 150 years of your church? And he said, no.
Aww.
He's not that well now. He's okay, but not to go out. You know, he's okay to just be there where he is. He can still get around. Hello, darling.
Just to speak.
Nice to meet you. It's nice to see you. Okay. Where are you, guys? Where are you now?
We're at live.
We were at the Mount Eden.
Oh, Central. Okay. But you're here now?
No, I come here now and then.
Oh, okay.
I pop in like if we I pop in.
You're not Klinsmann.
No, that's Carol.
Is that still your family?
Carolini, my sister. Carolini's my sister. She's over there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's Clint's mum, and he just left actually.
Oh, did he?
Yeah, he's gone. He lives in Sydney. They moved over in April.
When?
In April. Yes, him and
Worship. He's part of the worship team.
Yes, well, he's gone now. He's flying tomorrow. Bex has got one more week. You should have gone and said hi.
No, he was talking to people outside.
Yeah, he's gone. Yeah.
Please give my love to him. Say thanks to him.
I'll text him. No, I won't see him
you're not gonna
tomorrow.
see him.
Yeah. Nice to see you. Look at this is all the people from the church. It looks nice from here. Yeah, lovely. This is from our parents brought us here to this Presbyterian church in 1968. Mum and Dad, Liliani, Motutavaha. We came here in 1968.
Guys, if you want to make a plate of food, this is your time so we can go on with the dessert. So just go up and help yourself. I've been told at the kitchen, just make up your plate. We've got foil and everything here, so
Kalafati
enjoy
mahal
tonight.
din.
We'll be home. So please.
Kalafati ke fine. Yeah. That was your video, ha? Kaha? Whatever ke hau hau he, ke tapu e. Ke tau whene hau a koe.
Leva lai te hawa mui e ngai a he sifa.
E?
Ko he sifa ne tamai au ke tapu.
E, sko tau whene hau a koe ke tapu e.
Tahe awhi hiwa wha.
Oh, 19...
Hiwa fuma wha ni hau i au ki nei.
1994 ka?
Yeah.
Ah,
See,
ka mai a mua?
And sometime before I came here,
E.
because he pea he sifa. Hau ke hau he tapu hana.
E.
Si ko he sifa tamai au tapu e si whanu.
Ai.
Si o mai me tau tamahanga.
Ai.
Si tota si hau mui au. Ko i tamatua hau foki.
E.
Lahi au mo Liliani mo tutawaha.
E.
Haka no whanga Liliani.
Hae ne.
Oi,
Hey, a filo.
are you European? Are you? Her daughter. Half what? Half past. Just like you and me. Full house to the Lord. Oh.
Hey, ko tam fifin ka ha. Sifa, she's talking about your mum that brought her here to the church. Yeah. Nana, yes.
Yeah, she's a very good lady. Oi, yeah, but you look a half caste.
Kumai ka mo kayo?
Nice to meet you. Yeah, come back.
Oh, yeah. Hey, Itaki.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. Nice.
Okay,
Yeah.
we'll see you on the next video.
God